Master, step any middle place in front of you. I will not be needed to lift my head. You are so very mean. He's your little father.
We had focused this humanoid specifically for the hospitality industry. But when COVID broke out, basically we understood that, especially when the reports started to come out from Italy, that almost 28 to 30% of the people who are in the healthcare sector, doctors as well as workers, were infected, because of the proximity with the patients. Immediately our mind started to work that how this reception and concierge robot can actually be used in the actual infectious wards, where the distancing between the doctor, the healthcare worker, and the patient is very, very important. So we actually did some modifications and we developed basically 4 functions which are very useful for the doctors as well as the patients and healthcare workers. First is that the robot, you don't need to touch with the hand. It will just identify you as a master. It will follow you. So a healthcare worker can actually take the robot near a particular patient. The doctor can be anywhere in the world and just dial in. Auto pickup of the call will happen and the doctor will be able to speak to the patient, and the patient also feels very comfortable when he or she is actually able to see the doctor who is providing the medication.